Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to import contacts in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my email, my username and the password here. Once inside your Mailchimp account, just click on all contacts below audience. Then click on this add contacts from this menu and click on import contacts. There are three ways to import your contacts. You can import from another service, upload a CSV or a TXT file, or just copy and paste your contact email addresses directly. I will go with copy and paste, click on continue, and just like that, you can fill your contacts email addresses one per line, just like Ben's testing address at gmail.com, the second address at gmail.com, and click on continue to organize button. Select your audience you want to add these emails or contacts to. Then if you have groups, you can check these boxes next to the groups you want to add these emails into and click on continue to tag. If you already have tags on your account, just select them just like that to tag your contacts and click on continue to match. Now click on continue to subscribe. Here select their email marketing status between subscribed and subscribed, non-subscribed, or clean it. I will go with subscribed. And now click on finalize import button. Now review and complete your import. Two contacts will be added to your audience. Click on this complete import button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to import contacts in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.